you approaching your Medicare decision and you're trying to figure out, can you keep putting money into your health savings account or not? You are in the right place. You've worked hard for Medicare. Let's now get the most out of it. I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, and after helping my dad, 7 years ago now, I've since helped people all across the country easily make their right decision as a leading Medicare expert. So if you want to follow and get more tips from me, click the link below and subscribe. But let's talk about health savings account. There's so much confusion over it. And the reality is, if you know how the rules work with HSA and Medicare, you can save thousands of dollars, right, by leveraging a strategy that are all allowed within tax code. But the reality is there's a lot of confusion as to how these rules work. So let's just quickly remind ourselves what a health savings account is, okay? An HSA is an account that's usually provided through your company in which you can put money into the health savings account. Your company can as well. And you can take that money out and pay for approved medical expenses. So the benefit of these accounts is that you actually get to pay for your healthcare expenses on a pre-tax basis, which can save you a lot of money at the end of the day, right? So HSAs have a lot of value. Now, the confusion comes around, can you put money into an HSA account once you're 65 or not, right? The reality is more and more people are working past 65. And so they're trying to navigate both the Medicare rules and all the other rules that are out there, which is not usually easy. But again, we tend to help clients who have these types of issues, and so we can help you through it. So the rule to know is this. Medicare and tax rules say you can put money into a health savings account up to the ladder of either 65 or 6 months before you join Medicare. So what that means is this, okay? If you join Medicare at 65, or if you're joining Medicare A and or B at 65, you can put money into your HSA account up to the month before your 65th birthday. However, if you're in a situation where you are allowed to delay your Medicare enrollment without penalties, and let's say that you decide to enroll in Medicare at, say, 70, you can technically put money into your health savings account up to 69 and a half, okay? That's a big deal, right? I was talking to a gentleman today who thought that he had to stop his HSA contributions 6 months before joining Medicare. But that's not the case, right? It's either 65 or 6 months before Medicare. And to make it even harder for his case, he's actually going to be delaying Medicare for 2 years because he plans on keep working. So because he already stopped his HSA payments, he will lose 2.5 years of those HSA contributions, which will equate to thousands of dollars when you look at it on a tax basis. So please be thoughtful around how to decide if you should keep putting money into your HSA account or not, right? And the main decision is around, do you need Medicare or not? But if you are delaying Medicare past 65, it can definitely make a lot of sense to keep putting money into the HSA if that is an option for you, all right? Again, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach. As you have questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. I look forward to you also following my channel, subscribing to my channel so I can help you more when it comes to Medicare. I know it's not simple, but it can be easy with our proven process. All right, thanks again for being here, and here's helping you easily make your right Medicare decision.